Discover the stunning beauty of the Aegean and Mediterranean seas with us. This is a tale of a blue voyage. Amidst the pleasure of cruising, immerse yourself in nature and savor the thrill of sailing. Explore breathtaking coves in Bodrum, Marmaris, Göcek, Bosporan, and Dafka, and even venture to the Greek islands. Choose from various boats, including gulets, catamarans, and square stern with 3 to 7 cabins made of fiberglass or wood. Our experienced captains, skilled sailors, and talented chefs are here to ensure your journey is unforgettable. After dropping anchor, a new adventure begins. Take in the delicious scents from the galley. Whether you wish to lounge by the pool, partake in water sports, bask in the sun, go fishing, or simply revel in the beauty of the deep blue sea, we offer an unforgettable journey. Visit our website for detailed routes. For inquiries and reservations, kindly reach out via email.